Hey everyone, it's Victoria Hansen here. I'm going to put this quick training video together for all of you to go over some basic Facebook navigation of your business page and how to set up your business page. So let's get started. Here you can see I'm logged into my personal Facebook account. You're always going to need to log into your personal account to access all of your pages. It is required to have a personal account in order to build a business page. So in order to start your business page, we're going to select the word create at the top navigation bar here. Once you click this, a drop-down menu will appear. It's going to ask you what you'd like to create. Let's go ahead and select page. From here, it's going to ask you, are you creating a business or brand, or are you a community or public figure? Let's go ahead and select business or brand. To get started, it's going to ask for your page name and the category in which your business is in. After this, it's going to ask you a series of questions, including for you to put in a description, your contact information, and then eventually a cover photo and a profile picture for your business. Once you're all done with that setup, you officially have a business page on Facebook. Now let's go back to my home screen so I can show you how to navigate through your business page. On the left-hand side here, you'll notice that you have your shortcuts. My first recommendation to you is to hover over your new business page, click these three dots right here, and select Pin to the top. Right now, it's offering to unpin from the top because I've already selected this action for my business page. But if you've not done this yet, you will see that it says Pin to the top. Go ahead and select that option. The benefits of doing this means that your business page will now appear as the very first shortcut, so you don't have to see more or scroll through all the other shortcuts. Let's go ahead and select your business page when it's here at the top of your shortcuts. Here's some basic navigation for your business page. Should you want to change your profile photo, simply hover over it and click the Update Camera icon. The same will apply for your cover photo. Hover over and select Change Cover Photo. Now, let's go to edit some of your page information and make sure everything's accurate. Here in the top, you're going to see an Edit Page Info option. Let's go ahead and click this. Make sure that all of your general information is accurate. You have a description, a category, phone number, website if applicable, and email. Some other general information, if you click this general option on the left-hand side, will appear. Go through each of these options and make sure everything is catered to exactly what you'd like for your business page. One thing I'll also highlight here is you're able to link your Instagram and Facebook accounts. On the left-hand side, you'll see the Instagram icon with the word Instagram. Let's go ahead and click this. When clicking this, it's going to give the option to sync your account with Instagram. If you've already done so, you're going to see the Instagram icon here, and it'll show the business page name from your Instagram account that it pulled. If you haven't done so, in this section of the page will be blank, and it will give you the option to sync your information. Go ahead and fill out all of that information and get your Instagram account linked with Facebook. Some of the benefits of doing this is that you're able to see your analytics and notifications and insights from your Instagram page right here on Facebook. There's one more thing I want to show you before we stop this video. Let's go ahead and go back to our page by clicking Page on the top left-hand side of this navigation bar. As you can see under your profile photo, there is an option for your business name as well as an @ symbol with a link option. This is called your handle or your username for Facebook. One of the benefits of setting this up is you'll actually have your own URL. This is great for branding, marketing, and even email signature purposes. As you can see, my page is Sale by Victoria. That means that if I give out the URL www.facebook.com/Sale by Victoria, it will take people to this exact page here. I recommend doing this so that you can keep your branding all uniform, as well as send this link out to clients who can find you and see your Facebook business page. That's all for now, guys. I hope this was helpful. Should you want any more in-depth training on your Facebook business page, please reach out to me and I am happy to give training to you. Thanks, everyone. See you next time.